Hi Riverbend family, I want to talk to you a little bit about the Nature 2 Express. Nature 2 Express is a mineral system utilizing chelated copper and silver ions to suppress algae and sanitize your water. The Nature 2 Express cartridge needs to be replaced every 6 months. But by using the Nature 2 cartridge, you significantly reduce the amount of sanitizer that you have to use to keep your pool clean. In fact, you can hold a free chlorine residual of 1.5 parts per million year-round by using a Nature 2 vessel. Add the Nature 2 Express to your cart today to begin using this wonderful product. Thank you for choosing RiverbendPoolSupply.com for all your swimming pool needs.